fried snacks while in the midst of our sessions. But hang on, Dougal is straight off the bat. He's going for goal.
At the start of the league. So I'm pretty sure. So the coaching classes of Lokmanu, they're taking fruition finally. But here you go, Akshat. I'm giving it to Eusebio. Will go for that long shot, and he connects, and it's a goal for Kerala Blasters FC. And Akshat with that smirk, he's enjoying it.
Oh yeah, he will be so delighted after so many games of bad luck and keepers making saves. This time he just takes a shot, not a particularly high percentage shot with that angle, so he will take confidence from that. He knows that he has the ability. He's tested himself against some of the best players, but now he can't afford to go two down, and it's almost a carbon copy of that last goal. This time Pele though, smashing it. Pele ne absolutely pale diya, you could say, into the corner. And yeah, it is 2-0 for Kerala Blasters FC, and looking very ominous.
Wow. FC off to a really blistering start.
Could be one more over here as we see now Ronaldo and Eusebio. He's got Pele in there as well, and Eusebio with the shot into the corner. This is Akshat. Where has this Akshat come from? My goodness. It is absolutely phenomenal. There is a player pause being queued by Odisha FC. Clearly something that Dougal is not happy about. Key situation for him
that's
to...
nasty.
Oh, crunching tackle, and now one-on-one. He's got Ronaldo. Surely has to take the shot. Saved by Van der Sar. Almost falling to Ronaldo again. The finesse shot to the edge of the area, really pushing the limits of what Eusebio can accomplish at 91. And that's a great through ball. Now surely Dougal has to put this away, and he does. It's in the corner. It's 3-1, and suddenly Akshat has been in that situation before of suddenly things unraveling, and Dougal has of course been in this position of having to come back from behind. Could say a little nervy in that situation, not playing with the same freedom, the same confidence as the first half. Of course, he'll know that he's under pressure, and now it's Gullit has to score. It's a bullet from Gullit into the top corner, and it's 3-2. 20 minutes to play. Hello, comeback could be on. No, I mean, I think attack is the best form of defense, because you know that Dougal is playing an ultra attacking formation himself. As he gets into the box, could he complete the comeback over here with Cruyff? Cuts it back. I think he wins the corner over there. Payne just coming flooding straight back. We will see a cross at the back post. It could be in here, and it's off the crossbar, and Gullit goes for the header, still competing, and clutched by Van der Sar at the end. It's all happening, and Akshat survives.
Which started off with what could have been a really good victory. Now this is going to be a hard one.
Oh, that's a very cheap giveaway.
With
Surely
Ronaldo
he has
getting
to make it count. And he's got it. He's got it. No, it's saved by Van der Sar. What a save! What a save! Oh, still in stoppage time though. He has the opportunity to cross the ball. He might just find it, you know. And no, it's crossed by Van der Sar. And oh my goodness, Dougal. Just if you have whatever God you believe in, send a prayer out and a few thanks to Edwin Van der Sar. Oh my goodness.
Yeah, I mean, to be honest, yeah, I'm also yet to explore a lot out of Odisha FC. I haven't really cast him on a lot of occasions, but we've seen Shubham. He's been pulling off those plays especially. But hold on, this could have been a good chance. And at 21 years, you have that hunger within you. You start, if things don't go your way, you are being vocal about it, and that's pretty much him. But look at this! It's a good chance created for Lokmanu as
managed to keep the opposition down to one goal or less for most games, and then just grind it out, get that one goal when he needs to. And for now, well, he needs to get that. If he can get the one goal and get a 1-0 win over here, then that would set us up beautifully. But it is
actually under the radar. A lot of things are being done, especially by Odisha FC, because you've got to keep a menace like Lokmanu away from your box area, and they've been doing a good job at that. But a little bit slip up could be a little expensive. Goes in for the cutback and a shot, and Vieira for the rescue.
Yeah, looked borderline handball in that situation, but not given. But now a very cheap giveaway, and you cannot allow those Marquinhos. Oh my goodness, the nerves of steel there to just stand and turn on that. And
I think he's going to be pretty angry with the way things are going. But Ronaldo should take a left shot. Oh, and even Lokmanu says, how on earth did that not go in? some sort of an opening. Maybe with Mbappe. Now Ronaldo, that was a good pass. But what can he do out of this one? And again, balls being placed. The way things are going, it's just going back and forth. And it feels like, at this point, Lokmani wants to settle with a draw, maybe?
And for now, he just needs to see this
Oh,
out. Is it going to
finds
be Ronaldo to make it? And Vieira heads it back to Van der Sar. A little bit risky there. And yeah, 0-0. Now 7 games, and nobody has managed to beat Shubham 1v1. So that's that impressive record of his continues as the defensive wall. A bit of a lapse over there. He's found Cruyff with Pele. Surely a goal. And an early shot in off the post. An absolute early sucker punch for Odisha FC. And can they get that 1 point? It's been a low scoring season for them so far. Just the 1 win and the 1 draw. But, well, points, whatever you can get at this moment, you will
see, whose fault was that? Because I could see the defense being wide open over there. But now we've got Cruyff leading the charge from the right wings. He's going to pass it towards Pele. Now that's a fantastic one.
Committed in a wide area. That's not where you want to be. You want him back in the middle to cover off those passing lanes. And again, they're set up again on defense. This could be the shot. It is a shot straight at Van der Sar. With Ronaldo, now it's about the individual skill. Can you find that opening? He's found Pele at the edge of the area, and Ronaldo, it's Mbappe. And goes for the shot across goal.
Into the mid phase over here as now the second half has begun and Odisha FC, alright, this is a very promising chance.
Oh, that's brilliant!
Towards Cruyff. Oh, Van der Sar with that save. Struggling. And it has to, kudos to the defensive prowess by Odisha FC. They haven't, looked shaky even for a single second. Few chances were created, but that was absolute brilliance. But now this could be promising. A cutback to a goal. Yes, there it goes. Pele finally leveling it all up, and it's 1 each.
Yeah, I think probably the second major chance that they've had. We're going to see the dancing over here. Oh, well done. That's a great little celebration that's been worked on over there.
Yeah.
And if they can close this out and get the win, I think they'll be very, very happy.
Oh, they would definitely be elated, right? Especially in that co-op game.
Another
chance being taken towards Pele. Oh,
settle on defense. I think it needed to be a lot quicker, a lot more instinctive in that moment, because they had the man over, they had the man advantage over there. It's a cross in for Ronaldo. What a ball, and saved by the feet of Van der Sar again.
By any possible chances securing them those 3 points, but no, look at the commitment. If he can get that cross, that could be devastating. 3 players and the goalkeeper. The goal is right open almost. It's crazy stuff happening.
Yeah, I mean, you do see that with a lot of players. They will get the keeper out.